Hi guys, welcome. It's the girl Juliana from the Reed Family TV, and today I'm here with you guys doing a little sit down and talk video. It's been ages I haven't done a sit down and talk video. So if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Please remember to hit that like button. When you hit that like button, it will explode in some beautiful colors. Go ahead and leave a comment on the video. Also, go ahead and press that big red button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then click on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. I also have membership available to my channel. Yes guys, you heard it correctly. I also have membership available to my channel. So I'm gonna let you guys know a little do's and a little don'ts. Okay, so first, you don't have to have any fancy equipment to do your vlogs or anything like that. All you need are is your phone, because currently I'm recording this video from iPhone 7. Yes guys, I can't afford anything better than that, but for now I'm using an iPhone 7. And the next thing, for if you don't have somebody to, let me say correctly, if you don't have anyone to hold your phone for you while you're doing your recording, if you are not able to afford a tripod stand, just lean up your phone against somewhere that won't shift. Sorry guys, I'm not 100%, but or you can get one of these. Okay, you can get one of these. You put your phone in here. See, put the phone in right here, and you turn this on. I'm gonna show you something guys. I hope your battery is not dead. Okay, it's on now. So see that little blue light flashing? So you you see it rotates. So if I move my face that way, it rotates. So wherever I turn my face, see, there it goes. It follow you along. So this is good for person who are doing cooking content, vlogging. So you want to put it somewhere and ensure that your Bluetooth is on, so whenever you move, it moves along with you. So you don't have to have anybody to hold your camera for you. This is something very easy to go along with for beginners. And for beginners, if you start with a content, my best advice, don't switch it up. Whereas if you see it's going good for you, just stay on that same pace. Okay, the moment you switch your content up, the moment your algorithm will go zip like a landslide. Instead of going up, it goes down, and then it takes a while for your algorithm to pick it back up and start promoting your videos. And let me tell you this, if you do not have enough watch hours, ensure that you post content regularly. Post as much as possible. You want to go ahead, do your live stream. You want to go ahead and also promote your videos. When I say promote your videos, when you're going on the road, introduce other persons to your channel, ask them to subscribe to your channel. Ensure that you have data on your phone, because a lot of times you will come across people on the road that they will not have the data on their phone. So when they So when you have data on your phone, just give them a little hotspot and search for your channel and subscribe to the use their phone to subscribe to your channel. That will also increase your subscriber count, and it also gives you views, because you're gonna sit there, you're gonna be allow them to watch the video to see what your channel is all about. Ensure that you keep your channel clean as possible, because let me tell you this, YT is going around and cleaning up channel. A lot of persons are losing their channel. Be mindful of the video that you create. My videos that I create, I do not put kids on my channel, okay? I do not put kids on my channel, because the reason why I do not put kids on my channel, when you have a child on your channel that is under the age of 18, your comment section switch off automatically by YT. Whereas if the channel is not created for kids, and the next thing, you will get orange ads, limited ads. I don't want no limited ads on my video, because I work too hard. I sit down and I prepare what I'm gonna do, so I don't want any limited ads. I want to see green all the way down. So I'm gonna be showing you guys something. I don't know if you guys can see, but if you can't see, you may have to zoom it up to see properly. Alright, let me show you. I'm gonna go into my analytics, then I'm gonna show you something and where I went wrong, because I haven't been posting much. First, I'm gonna show you is the first, my channel is going this low. For the past 28 days, right, my channel only got 1,235 views in the last. So let me cover over revenue. So look at that, guys. See? So I'll cover over the revenue part. As a matter of fact, I don't have to cover the revenue part. Let me see if you guys can see. See? For the past 28 days, I haven't been making anything, and I can go back as far as the last 90 days. I'm gonna put it back at the last 90 days to let you guys see. So my channel hasn't been doing good, because I haven't been posting like when I just started. I used to post so often. I got distracted, and it's very easy to get distracted. Don't get me wrong, it's very easy. Worse when you're trying to grow other platform, worse when you're trying to make an income, because going out on the road hustling, I start close on the road, guys, okay? So if you see me anywhere in Ocherius and you see me with anything, just stop and purchase. If you want to say where you recognize me from, that's fine. If it's TikTok you recognize me from, I can also give you a shout out. If it's YouTube you recognize me from, Facebook, whichever platform, because I'm on all platforms, guys. So for the past 90 days, right, I only got 2,446 views. Way down. My channel gone way down. My channel just trying to recover back from its I would say illness, because I haven't been posting, to be honest. I've lost so many subscribers in the past 90 days or more. Let me put it on 365 days. Guys, it's good to check your analytic. If you want to do it weekly, monthly, whichever, but ensure that you keep up with it. For the past year, now I don't make $100. Okay, I don't make $100. For the past year, for the past 365 days, my channel got 22,619 views. Way below, less 77% less than what I used to get views. Okay, my previous views were more than that. Of the watch hours gone down 76%. My watch hours gone right down, guys. So I need to start doing back my live stream, start interacting more with my audience, trying to gain my watch hours back, posting more content. These are something, even when your channel is monetized, you still want to keep your watch hour going up, not down. Plus I also put some videos on unlisted, so that may cause it as well. And I only made in my final amount may change at the end of the month. Okay, that's what the analytic is saying. My revenue is low. I don't make $100, and I can show you guys I don't make $100 for the past 365 days. So sometimes people believe that you're making money by they seeing you putting out content. No, I only make $48.77 for the past 365 days. Okay, I don't make money on my channel. I'm just posting videos, to be honest, for the fun of it, and hoping that one day my videos will take off. So if you see me posting content, I spend my own money to get the stuff to do videos. I spend my own money. I'm trying to get more equipment because right now it's only one ring light I have working, and I have to cut the cord off it to attach it to something else because it's not working properly. It can't turn up any higher than it used to. It's on dim, to be honest. So I don't have the money to get all the equipment, so I'm trying my best to gain the equipment, but it ain't working. So all I have to do is work with what I have. So if you see me putting out content, don't comment negative because you don't know where I'm coming from. If you want somebody to help you with your channel, reach out to the person and say, hey, help me to run my channel, because I see people commenting negative, but no negative can get me down. Anyways, guys, as I stated before, get something like this for a person who is gonna do a turning back. For a person who don't have anybody to hold their camera for them, get something like this. Okay, you can screenshot it and put the picture through Amazon and it will come up. So go ahead and screenshot it, put it through Amazon, and Amazon will definitely find it. This is on Amazon. You can try Temu as well, Temu or wherever you want to pronounce. You can get it there. You can get a notebook. This is a notebook, guys. It's a HP notebook. I can also get one of these. See, this is very handy, guys. You can use this to edit your videos. For the time being, if you don't have a notebook, go ahead and download CapCut on your phone and go ahead and use CapCut to edit your videos. It will help you so much. I love CapCut. I use CapCut to edit all my videos that you see me posting for the past year, for the past 2 years coming up. CapCut I use to edit the videos. the thumbnail that I put out, the CapCut I used to do the thumbnails, to cut the pictures out, remove the background, replace the background, CapCut, do all of that. So one app for everything. Okay guys, anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have reached the end of the video, I really do appreciate you watching. I really do appreciate you coming back to my channel, and to all those who have been supporting my platform over the past couple years. Well, I really do appreciate it from 2017. Yeah, for everyone who has been supporting, I want to say shout out to Proud Mixed Child. He has been supporting my platform from the get-go. Okay, Cheyenne Empire, thank you so much. ShareNet Vlog, and a lot of other persons who have been supporting my platform from it just started. Shout out to you guys. And guys, I want you to go over to their platform and give them your support their platform, guys. Love you guys, bye, and I hope to see you in the next video.